The holidays are coming and you wish to send a message to all of your friends. However, you have so many friends inside the Wechat. You can use the broadcast message option. Hi, I'm Neta and this is a Wechat tutorial. The Wechat message option will let you send a message to many people at the same time. This option is very common for marketing and keeping in touch during the holidays. For instance, as a travel agent, I might send you a message for tours including dates and rates. During the Chinese New Year, there are many classic greetings. Read the description because I added some examples for you. Open your Wechat. Now go to Me. Click on Settings. Click on General. Click on Wechat Tools. Choose the option Broadcast Messages. You need to make sure this option is enabled. Now go to Send Now. From here, press New Broadcast Message. In this screen, you need to select Contacts to send them a broadcast message. Let's choose Contacts. On the top right screen, you can see how many people you selected. Now press on Next. This is the broadcast messages screen. On the left, you can record your voice message. In the middle, you can write a text message. On your right side, you have a smiley face. This option is for adding stickers. On the right, a plus sign. Click on the plus sign. On the left side, you can see album. This option is for adding pictures and video directly from your mobile. On the right you have the camera icon. This option is for taking pictures or video right now. Next is the voice input option. You can record your voice and the Wechat will transfer your voice into a text message. And the last option is favorite, which is related to articles that you saved inside your mobile. Unfortunately, this option is not available. Please note that you cannot choose the option I show you from the plus sign if you are writing a message. For example, you cannot write a message and add a photo in the same time. Total 142 friends. Now press on Send. Go back to Chats. On the first screen, you can see all the people who react to your message. Don't forget that after you send a broadcast message, you probably will receive many messages and you will need to reply to all of those messages. Good luck! You can easily broadcast a message up to 200 contacts at once. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time. 再见!